How do you put an elephant in the fridge? Open the door, put it in, close the door. How do you put an elephant in a recycling bin? You can't recycle an elephant.
You can recycle paper and cardboard, including boxes, newspapers, magazines, and junk mail, aluminum, steel, and tin cans, plastic drink bottles, and any plastics labeled number 1 through 7. Do not recycle glass or ceramics, plastic bags, anything contaminated with food, styrofoam, yard waste, or electronics. Orem is asking all residents to recycle. Much of what goes into our landfill is recyclable.